This crease right here is what most people see in the picture. You don't see any deformities anyplace else. Now when you get right here and you start to drop down, you can see the crease over there. You can actually see the shadow where the dent goes out. And you can see some where the brace stuck through here and here. And then that little palm size heel dent, there's one right next to it. Then we come over this way and you can see how the roof line or the gutters reflect and gets all squirrely. There's actually a transfer that goes over in that direction there. Luckily this is metal, but we're going to do what I call an improvement repair because this car is just getting sold. There's even a little deformity down into there. See, even in the video now, you can see where there's, I don't know if they're push marks or what they are. You can kind of see the deformity right over this area here. The transfer just goes all over the place when you start to see these, but they'll come out pretty good. You have to worry about this on oil canning. Okay, this is a perfect example of a soft displacement dent. It's soft in here, it's not stretched. If you looked over at this one's a little pin or stretch ding. But you notice this is all smooth right here. There's not a sharp indentation. Right in here is where it starts to displace. This hits and it raises up over here. I need to hold pressure right in here and then tap. So that one came out really nice. This little blip that's right here is actually from the reinforcement being bent. That's where it's glued, so to get rid of that one I would have to cut the reinforcement glue, which might make this a little soft, but for what's there it's not worth doing. And I'll come from this angle and work and smooth out some of that real quick, then we'll call her good. Here's the end results of the paintless improvement repair that I did on this hood that again should have been replaced. Got it really cleaned up, really nice. This will be plenty sufficient to sell, especially on an older car. Customer can always say could spend more time on there, but they're completely happy with, I believe I did 3 or 4 cars for this family. But anyway, this is Eddie with the Dent Devil's Mobile Paintless Dent Repair, 619-726-6767. When in doubt, send us some pictures. We'll tell you what we can and can't do for you on your car. Take care, be safe.